What's your role?
So I'm playing the role of JC Lopez. Unexpected to for me that I'm in an acting project because when I started with Rise, minamanage talaga nila ako as an influencer. So nung nakuha ko yung role, sobrang like ang daming feelings, like I don't know, parang kung matutuwa ba. Actually happy, pero at the same time kinakabahan na may kasamang pressure. Kasi nga first ko, tapos di pa naman ako nakakapag-workshop ng madami kasi I wasn't really expecting talaga to go in the acting field. During taping, actually, hindi na ako kinabahan kasi I was with them.
Ang feeling ko naman, parang feeling ko kasi hindi because with them, parang with him. Yeah.
Nakilala kita sa di ko inaasahang pagkakataon.
Nakakabigla, para bang sinadya at tinakda ng panahon.
Agad akong nahulog nang hindi napapansin.
Pero tadhana ko'y mukhang di tayo pagtatagpuin.
Ikaw pa rin pala